$75. That's cool though. It's a neat color.
Bread I used to eat eggs.
However, the old Oreos look.
Alrighty.
70s or something, they made a refill.
Alright, hey, they
They do
put
things
a
like
good
that.
guy.
Yeah, they do.
Well, good morning.
Morning.
Morning. Good morning, sweetie.
I'll show you everything.
Yeah? For your price. You should have a good day. You too. Yep, you have a good day. Yeah. You're right.
That's not old.
That's the way it is.
You see the remnants of a Made in China sticker on it.
All right, man. Gotta go. Yep.
Avon.
There's one.
What?
Some nice stuff. It's in pretty good shape. Maybe I don't want that. That's just a nightmare to clean. This ain't a bad piece though.
Yeah.
Who's this?
What you got on that? 30. How about this?
Starting at 100.
So what's your best on the pair?
I'll do 100 even numbers for you.
I'll do that. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Go grab that breakfast skillet on top. I appreciate it.
Yep, sure.
And broiler. Single spout. Marietta. Pretty pitted.
I thought you knew everything. Tribal, that's what it's called.
It's a nice basket. Still got the Fenton sticker on it.
That one has a chip in it. The rose-colored one.
The rose-colored one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I broke it.
Bummer.
I know.
It happens. That one's pretty.
That one's 15.
15?
Yeah. I had a bunch of Fenton earlier and it all sold.
You gave $15 for it. It's pretty.
I could have pulled. Yeah, hang on to it.
You gonna wrap it up for you?
Sure. Here, give it to her.
bunch of honey.
They're shopaholics and they buy.
Okay, out of 20
Oh.
or 50. Out
Yeah.
of 50.
I'll throw it in there.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Looks like Hazel Atlas. Little child set in pastel color. That's pretty. It's cute. Got here. Lodge. Lodge and more modern stuff. Lots of Lodge today. No, I got stuff outside you can do.
Yep, exactly. Exactly. Good luck.
Very heavy.
How much you see on this?
5.
5. Yeah. About the picture.
You said 5 on each. Or
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that. Those two. Pretty. What's down here? Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay.
That hat glows over on that table. That's a big piece.
yeah,
It's huge.
I want that top to get messed up.
Off to squat.
Yeah, she's tired. She was up too early.
It's 10? Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate it. But she got to take home now. How much on the hat?
$3.
$3.
Thank you.